these are real people's hair.
No, that's fake.
See, the red I want is like this red ball.
I know. It's real
And
fine.
this one is
Anyway.
Nani's
If I
hair.
could do this, if I could pull it off.
This is like Nani's hair. Oh,
Big reveal.
this is These are like real.
Hey, maybe we won't be late now.
It is really chic. I was like, at least you're like a big girl, like you can pull off. Do you think we're short enough?
Teddy bear.
Next is skin.
You were one, right?
Yeah.
Wow, that actually left a little more hair than I thought it would.
You're like, it's so soft. It's so soft.
It's like a teddy bear, really, it is.
She does that to her hair all the time. She says she pets it.
I just pet her. Okay, come here. All right, Lainey, you videoing? Here, babe. Okay, we're like pretty much bald. Steph, we love you very much. You know that I'm with you, and I am sorry that I did not do this, not having the courage to do it for you last summer when you had to go through it, but I just want you to know that I love you very much, Jonathan. I'm thinking about you, I'm thinking about the girls, and for everyone that doesn't know, my cousin Jonathan, he just lost his wife this week with cancer, so I
And
will
he
see
died.
you very, very soon.
He
I
died.
did get a couple of
Shush.
scars, and anyway, I love you very, very much. I don't really know what else to say.
Keep-
I will see you soon.
Keep doing that
I
thing.
know I'm like doing this because I'm used to
Come on,
having hair.
hair, but